Clarification and understanding. Can you explain that concept again in a different way? What are some real-world applications of this topic? How does this concept connect to what we learned previously? Can you provide an example or a case study related to this topic? Deepening knowledge. Why is this topic important in the broader context of the subject? Are there any advanced topics or further readings you recommend on this subject? How does the theory compare to other theories in the field? What are the current trends or recent developments related to this topic? Can you suggest any projects or experiments to better understand this concept? Study and exam preparation. What are the key points we should focus on for the exam? Can you provide some tips for effectively studying this material? What type of questions can we expect on the test? Are there any additional resources or practice materials available? How can we apply what we've learned to solve practical problems? Personal development and skills. What skills are most important to develop in this subject? How can I improve my critical thinking and analytical skills in this area? What are most common career paths related to this subject? Can you share any personal experiences or stories related to this topic? How can I study motivated and engaged while studying this subject? Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for my daily lessons and contents. And also, please remember to hit that like button. Feedback and improvement. Can you provide feedback on my recent assignment or test? What are my strengths and areas for improvement in this subject? How can I better participate in class discussions? What strategies can I use to improve my grades? Can you recommend any extracurricular activities or clubs related to this subject? Classroom dynamics. Can we have more group discussions or collaborative projects? How can we make the class more interactive and engaging? Can we explore different teaching methods or tools? What are the expectations for class participation and behavior? How can we create a more inclusive and supportive learning environment? Alright everyone, that concludes today's lesson. Thanks for watching. Click on that subscribe button so you'll never miss a new video. Also hit that like button if you like this lesson. You might need to watch these contents as well. Until next time.